Hello viewers, welcome back to Drawing Stuff with Paul Yateman. I decided on a Christmas art challenge where between the 12th and 25th of December I'm drawing something related to Christmas in some way. Today here's the mostly time-lapse recording of me attempting to draw Sandy Claus. I assume C-L-A-W-S and not C-L-A-U-S, from The Nightmare Before Christmas by Tim Burton. Before getting into the main drawing, I took some screen captures from the movie and did some character exploration. Here I concentrated on the face and beard, and that is certainly evident in the final drawing, as I think the body is a tad off. On to the main drawing. I started with the fundamentals, which was the body, the head, the cheeks, the nose and the beard. After that, I whacked in the feet and arms and then fleshed the sketch out. With my videos, I think anyone should be able to pick up a pencil or pen and do what I do, so how about giving it a go? So you can see here, once the base form is in, I go through and add details. So we're working from simple structures and simple form and then detail in. So the hand was basically a club shape, and then I added some pointy fingers. What else are we doing here? Detail with the arms, not too happy with them in some spots, so I fix them up. Add the feet, try to give them a sort of a foot pointing forward stance. Not too worried about lines with the beard over the foot, because I'll fix it up with the line art, which is I am doing now. So I started the fine liner with my 0.1 and then moved into the 0.05. I then added a framing box and moved to what seems to be becoming my favourite inking pen, the ArtyAlien 210 0.6. The feet and hands were blacked out, leaving a little highlighting, and I also played with thickening up the lines before calling time and erasing the graphite and then scanning the piece in. My lightest neutral grey filled in everything but the eyes. I think I could have left the beard white. Next I coloured the face in such a way that it looked rosy, and then I worked on the shadows with some grey. There are two flesh tones here I'm using. And then adding some grey, I decided the face needs some more work. Next, some yellow, which I think wasn't a particularly good idea, was added to the white fluffyish bits of the cloak. I then add some purple, hoping I'd be able to blend it out with some reds that almost worked for the shadows. And I added my dark red for the extra shadows, and then my light red to fill in the clothing and hopefully get some sort of shadows showing through. And I'm finding I probably need either a darker red or a lighter red than what I have to enable shadowing, because really it doesn't do much difference between the R27 and 29. And my child's running out of ink, so I moved to my classic marker for the blocking out. So I then went nuts with my 0.1 fine liner, adding beard details and some cross hatching for more shadows. and after adding some scratchy, low detail creepy crawlies, it was thumbs up time. In the end, the final drawing is Tim Burton-ish, having not explored Santa's body much when preparing to do the main drawing shows. I think the face and beard worked out well. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, etc., subscribe, like and share. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Merry Christmas. Ciao.